guys, I am running so late for my appointment. I just called them, so hopefully they'll still take me. I'm really not trying not to sweat because I don't have deodorant because I'm about to do the laser appointment on my underarms and everywhere else. So you're not supposed to put deodorant on. And it's summertime, girl. But can't really see you. I'm here with Madison. She's about to do the laser on my sideburns, which is why I have these goggles on.
Just do a test spot first. It's gonna be right behind you, okay? 3, 2, 1. How was that?
I didn't even feel it.
Scale of 0 to 10?
0.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, coming around.
That was it? Nothing compared to waxing it. So the laser that they use here has this air that blows out at you to what's it do? To calm it?
Yeah, to help with the heat.
To help with the heat, and it's literally life-changing. I don't know where this has been my whole life. She has this laid out for me to like put on everywhere we lasered. I love it here. So they're playing music here, so I don't think I could talk too much to you guys. Right across the street was this Thai place that me and my mom love, and I didn't even know that the laser spot was right across. So I came here and I'm sitting by myself and they're treating me mad nice. Like I think they think I'm a food critic or something because they're treating me like an angel. But he sat me in a little corner by myself. I'm so excited to eat. I haven't ate all day and it's already about to be 2 p.m. So I'm excited. Tell me this does not look divine. Alright guys, oh my god, Pottery Barn Teen. Yeah, I used to love Pottery Barn Teen and Kids. So I'm on my way to the nail appointment now. Don't really know exactly what it is that I want to get done, but while I'm, oh my god, that's one thing that you could always count on in New York. It could be bright as day and you getting rained on by these ACs, honey, okay? Ew, so disgusting. What I really should is stop in here and get a massage, but you never know if one of these spots be trying to give you a little happy ending, and I'm not about to do that by myself. I mean, I wouldn't do that. That came out wrong. I wouldn't do that if that was by myself or with someone. I just meant I don't want to have to protect myself by myself. I'm dead.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
It is the complete next day. Whoa, that's a lie. It's a few days later. For real. It's a new day, and I'm gonna end this little maintenance girly video doing a hygiene haul from no other. Did you guys like the way that my nails came out? At first I was like, but now I'm like kind of like in love with them. I used to hate Aura nails. I'm not even gonna lie. I used to hate them. Like some of the colorways that I saw, I was just like, what the hell even is that? But I feel like this is cute. Little pink and white moment. I wanted to do a whole different set, but my nail tech was like, you basically just did that with your last set. And she was like, yeah, we're not doing that. It's crazy how that lady run me. Meanwhile, I'm the one paying her. But let's just get into the haul because I don't want this video to take too long. First up, I already had like my regular like soap. I needed a body wash, right? So I got this one from Saltaire. I don't know if I'm saying it right, Saltaire. But it is their Pink Beach Skin Softening Serum Body Wash. It has coconut oil, coconut oil, skin mimicking coconut phospholipids, naturally fermented pink oil, gently cleanse and restore essential moisture to dry skin, leaving it silky, smooth, and nourished. And I was like, yes, give it to me. I wonder if they all have coconut oil It smells like coconut. No duh, like it has coconut in it. Me and coconut, we go together real bad. Real bad, okay? I'm excited because it's cute. I'm gonna be so real. Like, I'm gonna be happy looking at this in the shower. Like, that's how cute it is. So I did pick up a new exfoliator too. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I use the Tree Hut ones. I love these. This is actually a new scent to me. I've never used this one before. It's called Dragon Fruit. It says help strengthen and refresh the skin barrier. If you see my skincare routine video, girl, you already know I'm all about strengthening that skin barrier. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh shit, what the fuck? Yo, my boyfriend clothes is mad tight. Oh my god. Oh my god, I really can't open it. I know it did smell like a nice, like, sweet summery scent, and I feel like these two would pair well together. And for little mama down there, I stick to Honey Pot. I know there is so much controversy when it comes to like feminine washes and stuff. Some people say water is enough. I need something a little bit more than water, but I don't need nothing that's gonna throw off my pH or anything. And this always works for me. I always get the sensitive one. I've never tried the other ones, but I don't want to try them if I'm being honest, just because I prefer for things to just be like for sensitive skin, just because I'm sensitive. Also grabbed the wipes. So they have the wipes that come like this, that they're individually packed like this, or they have like a case, like like a pouch, and like it's like a regular like wipey thing. I prefer these because I feel like they're better to travel with. This could fit in a clutch. That other wipey thing, that's not fitting in a clutch. So important for me to have these on hand, especially in the summertime, y'all. It's hot out here. It is humid. Also had to re-up on my shaver heads. These are the shaver heads I always use. I only use these. I never use anything else. My skin is too sensitive, and my hair, so it's like, here's the thing. When it comes to shaving, my skin itself is so sensitive and it gets like dried out so quickly, but my hair is so coarse and thick on my body. Like, girl, a shaver that's gonna go right against like my skin, like go right there and get it nice and smooth, but also not irritate like my actual skin. You need this one. It says the Venus Deluxe Smooth Sensitive. I told you I'm a sensitive girly. Oh my god, speaking of down there, y'all saw the girl that she was hospitalized for, I don't even know how long. I don't even know if she's alive. I pray to God she's alive. But she was hospitalized because her tampons were found to have like metal or some type of toxins inside, like some crazy stuff, you guys, crazy stuff. And I was just like, I use the same brand. I'm not even gonna lie. I have one more box in my bathroom, and I'm not the type of person to want to like waste money. And I've been using this brand like my whole life. Well, not my whole life, but since I've been getting my period, right? Part of me is like, girl, just finish that last box. Like, it's not that deep. But I'm like, what if it's that last box that makes me end up like that girl? I pray she's okay. I do. I pray she's okay. I believe that this brand have like a good rating. Part of me is thinking I got the wrong brand. Because I couldn't find a TikTok. If y'all know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Is this the brand that's safe to use? Because I really don't know. It's the L brand. Okay? You see, it's made without all like these things here. It's 100% cotton, organic cotton. I'm not gonna lie, the tampons I use, I love them. I love them. I never had leak problems. Hopefully these have like those same like protection-y things as my Tampax. I had to stock up on my tried and true. If you know me, you know this is my baby. I swear by this is the only lotion that I've ever used. Always have this on me. I love how rich it is. It just keeps my body so soft, hydrated literally all day, all night, and the skin just looks so smooth and it feels so smooth. This is the last thing I've got. I've been wanting to try e.l.f. skincare. I figured might as well start with makeup remover because I ran out of makeup remover. This shit is so small. I got the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. It smells like clean. Thing is small. Hold on. This was $11. Grams is 2 ounces. 56 grams. Okay, well the Element is 50 grams is 40. But wait, go to pharmacy. 1.7 is 24. Okay, I guess this makes sense. So little. Like, how long is this even gonna last me? So that's everything that I got. I did not break the bank. I had a list and I stuck to it, okay? All right, I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, give me a comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. Tell me if this is what I'm supposed to be using. Please, 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 please. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.